Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Now let's look at the esophageal rings. So here first there is something known as the A ring. A ring is where there is a transient smooth muscle ring. So there is a transient, a smooth muscular ring which is present. Then looking at the B ring, it is below at the gastroesophageal junction, below at the gastro, and this is nothing but the esophageal junction. And there is something known as the hiatal hernia. The hiatal hernia, there is a named specific ring that is known as a Schatzki's ring. And then comes the C ring. C ring is nothing but there is the hiatus. It is independent of the diaphragm, indentation of the diaphragm, and this is on the lower part of the esophagus. It is on the lower part, and this is nothing but of the esophagus and also the upper part of the stomach. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.